Hello guys, welcome back to the Do It Right Tech channel where I take you through everything tech. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at one Samsung update that has changed the use of one of its most important applications. I believe it's helpful to me and I hope it's going to be also to you. So without wasting much time, let's dive right into the video. But don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. On that note, let's go. So the update is very simple. It is on the Samsung Notes application. The current update is on Samsung Notes version 4.4.39.59, and I must say it is a game changer because of some of these features that are within it. Let me show you. So now when you come into your Samsung Notes application like this, there are 4 things that have changed or 4 things that have been impacted by the update, and I'm showing you them. The first one is the look of the entire notes here. As you can see, everything is kind of squarish at this moment. Unlike previously, they were rectangular. So now that's just a visual change that has been done to it. So even if you come here into all notes, you're still going to see that they have a square look to all the notes. And for me, I think it works because it fits more into the space. Yes, you could actually tap on these 3 dots and go into view and change how it looks. Originally, when you update it, it's going to look like this. The squares are quite big, so you can play around with that. I prefer it this way so I see enough. Now, the next feature that has come to it is the ability to hold down on this new notes feature. So when you hold down on it, now you're going to get a pop-up that allows you to import PDFs or select the note style before you even start the note. Previously, you would have to enter the new note and then go change the style. But now you could import notes in the form of PDF and then play with the PDF like this. So we have the PDF here, and then now we can go through the PDF, and then with the pen we can make all adjustments that we want to make, or with the keyboard we're able to type into any space that we want. But that case is a bit different now, because now when you hold on to this, you get the option. Now the next one is the note style. So you can select the note style by changing the type here to whichever one you want before you even go inside. Previously, you would have had to be in the notes and then come to the top, tap on the 3 dots, and then select the note style before you're able to input it. But now things have changed. The notes has become smarter and way better. But then it doesn't stop there, because another upgrade to it is the ability to use tables. So now this is it. You can come here into the top right corner when you are in your notes and tap on the plus icon, and now you have tables here. So you can tap on the tables, select the number of rows and the number of columns. So 3 rows, 3 columns, and you can hit on done. Now you're going to have a table like this. While it's here, you can actually tap on the small table icon right there. And once you tap on it, you're going to get a pop-up like this. You can add a row to it. You have 4 rows now. All you have to do is move that, move that, move that, and you can even tap again and add an extra column, and then tap and add another extra column. So you can add rows and columns as much as you want. Colors of it, you can also tap on that. The drop down comes, you can change the table style, change the color of the table in general, like that. Hit on done, and the table is exactly how you want it to be. It doesn't end there. Tap on that. You can, in table style, decide to highlight the upper ones or the lower ones, or change the color of the table in general, or select a square-ish table, because currently it has rounded edges. You can select square like tables like that, and now it becomes square like it originally is. Or you could change the lines so that you only have lines going horizontal like that, and that's how it looks now. So you could make several changes to it. It doesn't end there. Let's restore everything to originally how they were. That and this, and then you could deal with each section separately, giving it different colors. You tap on these 3 dots, and then now you're able to select either the cell style or the table style. The table style we've just looked at, so cell style. Now you can change the color of the entire block of cells. So if we selected yellow and hit done, and done, would have the entire cells there being yellow. So the customization is endless. Every text in it can be customized, and then you can actually do amazing things with your notes now. If you didn't know this, I'm glad I'm able to show you. But it doesn't end there, because there is an extra feature when you come here to use the pen to write. Now, when you tap on the pen, you're going to get a drop down like this, which has a slight revamp, because when you come here to this pen tool, if you look at the base, the upgrade is down here at the base. You can select a straight thick line or this very one here, which shows that the amount of press you have to your screen would also affect the thickness of the pen stroke, unlike in this case where the stroke stays the same. Now we're going to look at something right here. I select this option with a light hold on the pen. I just draw across and we can see consistent lines. Okay, now we come here again and then we select this light. I'm going to lightly do that and we see less of a thicker line compared to this. When I put pressure on it, I'm going to get thicker one here. All right, so there you are. These are the new updates that have come to the Note that I believe would be very helpful. If you didn't know these, I'm glad I was able to show you. And drop in the comment section if there's any other updates that you want. But check in the comment section if you don't have this update or your Note is not up to date. I'll be dropping the link to downloading Notes application if you can't find it in the store. So without wasting much time, I'll see you in the next video. But don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. On that note, I'll see you all later. Peace out.